I'm Asia Dore, I'm a brand strategist, and we're gonna go over my favorite topic of all time, the 11 things you need for an effective brand strategy. When we think of branding, we tend to think of logos and colors and visual aesthetics, but all of that stuff is actually secondary to what we're gonna talk about today. Number one is your brand philosophy. This is the foundation upon which your entire brand is built. You can think of it as the core ideology or your worldview as it relates to your business. And if you think wrapping up your entire brand into one big idea is impossible, think again. Number two is your brand purpose. This is the reason your business exists beyond just making money. It's why your work matters. It's the impact that you want to have on the world. It's the damn point. It's the reason why, if there are 1,000 other businesses that offer the same product or service as you, your business is just as necessary. Number three is your brand mission. This is the specific, measurable, achievable end goal for your business. It's the milestone that would allow you to completely close up shop and start something new because the problem that you now solve would be solved. The key to an effective and inspiring brand mission is specificity. There shall be no corporate word salad here with Asia Dore. Number four is your brand message. This is the one simple, straightforward thing you want everyone and their mother-in-law to know. It's essentially your entire brand strategy wrapped up into one sexy little sentence. Number five, your brand values. These are the morals and ideals that dictate your code of conduct in business. And that includes everything from your return policy to your sales and marketing funnels to graciously and audaciously responding to rude Instagram comments from trolls and assholes. Number six is your brand personality, and this is what gives your business soul. This is the brand element that your audience is truly going to connect with. So no more sacrificing feeling like yourself in the name of professionalism, because a strategically developed brand personality means knowing exactly which parts of yourself to share and which parts to keep private and protected. Number seven is brand voice, and this is the character that can be detected in your communication. In spoken language, the actual words we use aren't always congruent with our intended meaning, so much as volume and tone and inflection and body language. This translates to writing as well, with things like capitalization and punctuation and even the eggplant emoji. So no more sounding like a sad, beige, boring, monotone robot when you show up online, because your brand voice dictates exactly how to say what you want to say. Number eight is your brand story. This is the narrative used to help your audience connect with your business on an emotional level. This is not the story of you and your business. This is the story of how you support your ideal clients on their quest to becoming their ideal selves. Name a happier ever after than that. I will wait. Number nine is your brand value proposition. This is the distinction that sets you apart from every other business that offers the exact same product or service as you. And when you know what makes you different, you'll realize you actually have no competition at all. Number 10 is your brand ideal client profile. This is a summary of the person who will get the most out of what you sell, your product or service, and it's also the person who you will most enjoy working with. If you're sick of doing ideal client avatar worksheets, I do not blame you. It's rarely actually helpful to know where your ideal client shops for furniture, which is why in Asia Dore land, we focus on psychographics over demographics. And lastly, number 11 is your brand transformation. This is all about the evolution of your ideal client before and after working with you. It paints a clear picture of exactly who they are prior to experiencing your service and who they become after their problem is solved. Now, these are the 11 things that you need if you want to build an effective brand. But if you want an effective brand that also positions you as an expert and authority in your space, you actually need 5 more things. And I go into those 5 things in great detail in my 30-minute masterclass. It's just $7, and if you're interested, I will put the link in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel because duh.